everybody, and welcome to the first Thursday in October, Photography 101 with David Hancock. I am David Hancock, YouTube's photography professor. This month's assignment, redo some photos you hate. So if you remember earlier in this year, I said go through your photos and find a location where your work is not good and go back to that location or that subject or that style and try it again. This is in a similar vein, but somewhat different. With this, what you're going to do is look through your work, either from this year or all of the years that you've been photographing. Find some photos that you've taken that you really don't like. Find some in different subjects, different styles, whatever. Pick a handful of photos, maybe 8 to 12. What you're going to do is you're going to spend the first week looking for those photos. You're going to spend the second week picking out which ones you really want to replicate. So pick out some photos of yours that you really don't like. Now what you're going to do after you pick out those photos is you're going to go back to those locations, those subjects, those styles. And you're going to try to redo those photos in as much as you can, but better. So look at the photos that you've taken that you hate. Figure out what about them you don't like, what about them you can change, and then go back and redo them. The purpose of this assignment is to give you the ability to look critically at your own work so that you can understand what's not working, but also re-envision your work to understand what can make it work, and then put that into practice. So through an assignment like this, you can become a better critical thinker about your work and learn how to make fewer mistakes up front. So, find some photos of yours that you hate, pick about 8 to 12 that you really want to replicate, and in 2 weeks, we'll come back and follow up, and you can kick off your assignment work. See you then.